Every bottle begins with carefully grown apples, harvested at peak ripeness. Modern harvesting combines skilled workers with efficient equipment for maximum freshness.
Freshly harvested apples move quickly to preserve their natural flavor. Every shipment is prepared to keep the fruit fresh throughout its journey. The journey from orchard to factory begins with freshness carefully protected.
Temperature-controlled transport protects the fruit every kilometer of the journey. Every delivery begins with controlled access and complete shipment verification.
Precise positioning ensures a safe and hygienic unloading process.
Now the apples enter the factory, where modern processing begins. Behind these walls, thousands of fresh apples begin their transformation every hour.
Strict hygiene standards protect every batch before production begins.
Controlled feeding ensures a continuous and balanced production process. The first stage of processing removes the dirt gathered during harvest and transport. 5-volume washing removes field debris while protecting the fruit's delicate skin.
Rotating brushes gently clean every surface without damaging the fruit.
Dry surfaces prepare each apple for precise automated inspection.
Advanced optical technology selects only the highest quality fruit for juice production.
With inspection complete, the apples are ready for their first transformation.
The apples are gently crushed into a fresh mash, ready for juice extraction.
Carefully controlled mixing prepares the fruit for maximum juice extraction.
Powerful presses separate pure juice from the remaining fruit fibre. Initial filtration creates a cleaner juice while preserving its natural flavor. Clarified juice now moves forward for the next stage of modern processing. Fine clarification removes the smallest particles while preserving natural quality. Pasteurization protects the juice while maintaining its fresh flavor.
Rapid cooling locks in freshness before final preparation.
Sterile storage keeps every batch protected until filling begins. The finished juice is now ready for precision filling and packaging. Automation prepares every bottle with speed, precision, and consistency. Every bottle is sanitized before receiving the finished juice. Advanced filling systems ensure every bottle receives the exact volume. Precision capping protects freshness from factory to consumer. Intelligent inspection guarantees every bottle meets production standards.
Transcription. Every label is applied with absolute precision for perfect presentation.
The safety seal guarantees every bottle reaches consumers untouched. A flawless finish prepares every bottle for final packaging. Industrial robotics deliver unmatched speed, accuracy, and consistency.
Before shipment, every package is prepared for its final quality inspection.
Every production batch must pass multiple automated inspections before approval. Every sample enters a controlled laboratory for scientific verification. Scientific testing confirms every batch meets strict food safety standards. Only approved batches continue to final packaging and distribution.
With quality confirmed, the finished product is ready to begin its journey to consumers.
Every pallet is secured to protect the product during storage and transport. Modern warehouse systems keep every shipment organized and fully traceable. Each shipment is carefully prepared for safe delivery around the world. And this is how modern factories produce apple juice from start to finish. From orchard to bottle, modern engineering delivers freshness with remarkable precision.